First things first, to appreciate your support. So let's have a look at our washing machine with the bearings, worn out bearings. So let's see how it runs when bearings are worn out. So we power it on and then we put it on spin only down there. I'll put it on the highest revolution we can get, 1200, and then we start. So you see, in fact, the machine has a leakage. The machine has a bad leakage. That's the bearings in there. That's the outer bearing. Completely worn out. The seal is damaged. That's why we have a leakage. So if you have a machine that has worn out bearings, stop using it, because what happens, this leak here comes to the motor. Now the motor will blow. If you're unlucky, the motor will blow and it will blow the PCB. This is the power control panel. So if you have a washing machine that has worn bearings, book for maintenance. Don't play yourself.